What do I do? That way! No! It's just under the freaking exit I opened up! I think I figured it out. Okay. Come on, go out. You can do it! Why are you birds stupid? This thing is insane. Where'd it go? Oh, there's on the bed. You need to calm down, little bird. Is it breathing heavy? Is that why its mouth is open like that? I have no idea how to guide it to the window that I opened up. It's terrified right now. Oh, jeez. How do you even get in here? That's definitely not the way. Where did it just go? I assume it leads back over here. Okay, that's just the table. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, we are prepared. I have a long extending arm thing just in case. And then I have a bird thing for whatever. So hopefully I can like guide it with the bird thing out the window. I have no idea. Last time it was in there, so you know. There it is. Where'd it go? Oh, it's up there. Okay. Oh, out the window, please? No. Right there. Oh. No, don't go back in there. No, okay. Come on. We're gonna scare it. This is a bad idea. Okay, I didn't know where it was. It's okay. No, don't go back in there. I need to, oh no, that's even worse. Okay, I have an idea because I think it can see me from where it's at. So I'm gonna try opening the window over here, if that's even possible. Jeez, I forgot there's a thing there. Okay. It's up there still, that's what I was talking about. Oh, I know what I can use. Here it is. Alright. Oh, come on, it's right there. Go. Yes! Freedom! We've done it. That's that. Now it's time to see how Neil reacts now that the bird's gone. She's gonna go hunting for nothing.